Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here. Welcome to our inaugural year-end video blog post newsletter extravaganza. We wanted to walk through some of the big headlines from 2021 for Populi because our primary focus is...
Oh, Josh! Oh man, you really hit your head. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm
fine. Your shoe's untied.
Because our primary focus day to day is generally improving the functionality of Populi, most of what we're highlighting here are improvements we've made to the tool. But there are a few other tidbits mixed in as well. What's that? Do I hear sleigh bells?
You're hearing sleigh bells?
What, you don't hear that?
No. Josh, are you sure you're good to do this?
Student view. Our first feature of 2021 allowed instructors to see courses as students would. So you can go onto a course, click View as Student, and then an instructor can see what a student's seeing there. That's helpful generally. Let's say instructors just want to see how students are seeing a particular lesson. How is it showing up for them? That sort of thing. But it's also useful if you want to diagnose a specific issue. So let's say that a student is saying that they can't see a particular assignment. You can go in and check and see if students generally should be able to see that. It's a great time saver. This makes getting reports out of Populi even easier. We added some slick new icons into the interface so that you can more easily distinguish between different field types. And then we also created the ability for you to save field sets. So you could save your own field sets if there's, a sequence of information that you usually pull about students or whatever, you'd be able to load that set and get that data out with your report all at once. And you can also share those with other folks that you're working with. Previously, you would have to create each assignment from scratch. But with the assignment duplicator, you create one type of assignment once, and then you're able to just duplicate that as many times as you use it. Great for creating courses fast. Copies aren't always good though. We added the people merger to help consolidate profiles with duplicates so that you take all the data from a couple of different profiles and smash it together onto a single profile. Let's take a break from talking about features to talk about the fact that we redesigned our website this year. It went from looking like this to looking like this. The new site possesses a cleaner feel as well as more personality. Visit populi.co to have a look around. We particularly enjoy the customers page, where a bunch of the amazing people that we work with say really nice things about us. It's not conceited, it's just validating. Personally, I also really like the illustrations on the new site. What's that? It's changing to something appropriate for the season. I didn't know we could do that.
What do you mean? The illustration's not changing on my monitor here, Josh. What do you mean?
It says here, Rudolph your whole college. And the gal has a red Rudolph nose and antlers.
Rudolph your whole college? It doesn't make any sense, Josh.
Rudolph your...
We can film this tomorrow if you're not feeling up to it.
I feel great, Santa.
It's Gabe.
Right, Gabe. We updated the way that our login approvals work. So two-factor authentication updated from text messaging to using authenticator apps. That's a better solution for login security. That helps us sleep better at night, knowing that we're doing everything that we can to keep your data safe. This year, institutions got the ability to offer percent-based awards. Basically, what that means is that in financial aid, when you're setting up an award, you can create it as percent-based rather than a specific amount. That means that Populi will auto-calculate those awards based first of all on cost of attendance and then finally on the actual invoiced amounts. Pretty nice to have that just happen automatically, huh? This role allows a user to have read-only access to all financial information. So you can give this role to someone, they can log in and they can see everything having to do with finances, but they can't make any changes. It's look, don't touch. This is a big one, and even though it's not officially released, we're pretty excited about it. This feature lets you design custom forms to collect data from your students seamlessly. The beta of the forms feature went live this year already. We're working out some bugs here and there before we push it live to everyone. But if you'd like to be part of the beta, reach out to support@populiweb.com. We'll get you all set up. Without getting into too many of the technical details, you should know that our development team spent a lot of energy and time really strengthening Populi from an infrastructure standpoint. It's one of those things that is really important, but that never really becomes visible. Trust us though, they've done a lot of work back there to enable Populi to continue to add more and more users while maintaining reliability. So if you see a dev team member out in the wild, tell them thanks. We've done a couple of live stream events over the last year, but we have a lot of plans to do more of those, to expand what those are, and to make them more and more useful to our users. So look out for more of those. If you want to receive notifications about those live stream events, look in the description below. You should be able to find a link there where you can sign up for those. Finally, just a little bit of housekeeping. Our offices will be closed starting on Thursday, December 23rd, and we'll be back in the office on Monday, January 3rd. However, you can still send in support requests during that time that we'll be out. Either get into Populi support and send those that way, or just email support@populiweb.com. From Christmas, I've been New Year's, Josh. Populi, happy. From Christmas, I've been New Year's. Happy Josh, very New Year's. From Christmas, I've been New Year's. Merry Josh, Populi, happy.
Yeah, I need an ambulance at Street. He fell and hit his head. He's having like whimsical holiday-themed hallucinations. Okay, thanks. You're doing great, Josh. They'll be here in just a few minutes. Just hold on, okay?